What's going on, guys? Welcome to another What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to get an EIN. An EIN just stands for Employer Identification Number. It's what you're going to be using for purchases, taxes, identifying your business on anything that you lease, rent. It's very, very important for you to have one for your business, especially if you are an LLC, an S corporation, C corporation, a partnership, whatever it may be. You're going to need an EIN. If you're a sole proprietor, usually you're kind of operating things under your Social Security, but again, like we've mentioned in other tutorials, you want to make sure that you're setting up your business as an actual business entity, whether that be LLC, S corp, C corp, or a partnership. You want to choose one that fits best for you, and then register your company, and then also get an EIN. So to get an EIN is very simple. I'm going to show you guys right here. We're going to go over to Google, and all I'm going to do is just type in EIN. All right. Now, I want to point out a couple of things to you guys, that the first few options that we get here from Google are not government websites, okay? And you can tell this by looking at the URL. It says eintaxfiling.com. The government does not use .com, okay? Those are businesses. So if you're looking at getting the EIN, right, online, you want to avoid these websites here because they're businesses. What they're going to do is they're going to ask you the same questions, and they're going to charge you to file it for you, when you can just do it right through the government website, okay? Now you're going to want to scroll down, and you're going to look for the irs.gov, okay? irs.gov, that's the government website. And right here you'll see apply for an employer identification number online, IRS. They make it very easy. All you need to do is click here. Honestly, these steps are pretty simple. The whole process, as you'll see right now, is very simple. We're going to click here, apply now. They're just going to say this little warning. This is a government authorized for use only. Yeah, so that's nothing. We're going to begin our application here, okay? And then you're going to get to this page. This is where you're going to select your business structure, your legal structure of your business. So whether you're a sole proprietor, a partnership, corporation, limited liability company, an estate, or a trust. In our case, majority of us is going to fall between corporations and LLCs. I assume the majority of you guys are going to be LLCs or S corporations. And we can click here, limited liability. And then you'll see here that you have just a little explanation of what LLC is and what it isn't, which is cool that they give you that information. And then you're going to fill in how many members. Let's just assume you have one member. The state where your business is located. Mine is in Massachusetts. And then due to the number of members in your liability, you consider a single member liability as a type of structure. Apply for EIN. Okay, so they're just kind of breaking it down for me. If you do not wish to identify, okay, that sounds good. All of that sounds good. Let's just continue. Now we're going to look at, here we go. Why is the LLC requesting an EIN? You can really select any one of these. I think so we can just select start a new business. Let's do that, because I think that might be easier for us. We're gonna fill it in with some demi text, Matt. I hope they don't. I don't want to actually create one. So Social Security. It might not work. I'm gonna just put a fake one in here. 4. It might not work. I am one of the owners. Continue. Yeah, see, they're gonna yeah, so it's obviously not going to work. So I wanted to make this video, I want to make this tutorial just to show you guys so that you're not paying extra for something that you can do online for free. There's a lot of services out there that they're going to, especially when you're registering your business, whether it's through LegalZoom or Zen Business or any other alternative service. When you are registering your LLC or your C corporation, S corporation, your partnership, whatever it may be, they're going to try to upsell you a bunch of things. And one of the things that the majority of the time that they all upsell you on the most is the EIN, right? So they're gonna always offer you, they'll do an EIN for you for $70. You don't need to do that. You may want to if you just want to have them take care of everything for you, but you don't have to. You can do it yourself, like I showed you on the website here with IRS, and you're good to go. And then once you have that EIN number, you can go and get a bank account. You can do a bunch of stuff with it. You can lease a car under it. You can buy a car. You can buy equipment, credit lines, all that stuff is tied to that EIN that's going to be on the file of whatever thing you're buying or working with. So that's it. It's very simple, and we'll move on to the next one.